Alrighty, Alright, we have a 2x8 here. I had to put a plug on it. I don't know why people use these. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. Just I hate changing them out. Now, I didn't find any nuts on this thing, but it won't close back up. I didn't hear nothing drop. But, yeah, so, I don't know. There's a nut laying down there, but that ain't it. I didn't try it. So I don't see anything laying. This is right where I took it apart. So I don't know what's going on with it. Obviously there was some nuts there. Well, anyway, I put that on it just so I could see what volts it was running at. This thing smoked good. It is smoked bad. We got it on. How many volts it's running at? It is at 14 volts. Okay. Cut this thing off. Pull this plug. And let's dig a little bit. Now, what I see here is I see that pillar is blown. These two here are blown, for sure. And this one here is blown. And it has obviously had an implosion before, because it has black, gold, black, gold, black, gold, and gold, gold. So, alright. So this thing has burned up 5-watt resistors. Smoked. Huh. I've seen this happen many times. What'll happen is they start to lose power and they just keep on talking, or they don't realize it. So nothing on the input seems to be smoked. And I gotta say, they use some DM140s, and these are 140 puff. It's got metal clads on it. These are doubled up. What we got here? We have 4 turns on the input, and we have 3 on the output, and they are 61 and 61. That might possibly be what it takes on 61. So we are doubled up here. This is a 390 and a 3. Oh Lord. 330 and 390 on the input. Which could be what it is with the way it's built. There's no inductors here. There's splitter and combiner. No inductors. I don't know if anything's mashed or not. I haven't gotten into it. He just wants me to take this out. Poof, be gone. And put another board in there. Now, we run into another problem. I think a 10-pil board's the same size as this one, but we got a supply up here. Nothing wrong with the wire size. They draw less amps with smaller wire. This supply here is being ran separately from here. These are all tied together. It is on 220. These look like service supplies. I don't know what they are. I don't see any markings on them at all whatsoever, so they may be Meanwells or something. I don't know. I don't have a clue. I don't know how many amps they are. There's a screw laying inside the case. Oh, just fell down in there. Damn it, man. Now I got to get it out. Huh. Well, I'm going to change SO239s because they got liquid tape on them. Yeah. So, that's what it is. I'm curious about these. I know they're heavy. This amp weighs a ton. These things have to be heavier than these. They have to be heavier because they weigh a ton. You can just see the metal's a lot thicker. They kind of look like server supplies. Maybe that's all they go up to is 14 volts. I don't know. They do have a voltage adjustment on them. I'm gonna pull all these wires off anyway and see what voltages they are anyway. We have this one is running. This supply is running to here. It's ground from this supply, and two of these are running to the input. To the driver section. And then there is a big wire going to the bus. And then the rest of them are running to the bus. I like the fact that he used the mounting pads. It's always a good thing. Yeah, so that is it. Of course, this has to go. I don't know if it has to go or not. I can use that, but I may have to change the value of it. What I do, I don't know what the puff is. I'll break it loose from here and check it and see. Hell, I can't use it anyway, not the way I build. Takes up too much real estate. Now, if I build it on a board like this, I could use it. I could move this wire here. Damn, I'm gonna have to move the relay, so it would be on a new board, but the relay would be moved. But this would still reach it. That'd keep the doorknob out of the way, and this is already here, so I don't know. Like I say, I don't know the value. So what else is going on here? I don't see a block off there from the board here. This is blocked off. So, alright, that's where we're at. It's a different kind of build, something I'm not used to. It's not my style. It works though. And yeah, so let's see, we have a lot of attenuation going on here. Let's see what this is. Brown, black, brown. So that's 50 ohms of attenuation going to the 2-pill section. And then there's 100 ohm right there also. Okay, nothing wrong with that at all. Nothing whatsoever. It looks like a pretty good build all in all. These supplies weigh a ton. Oh my God. I don't even know what amperage they are. There's nothing on them whatsoever. And again, you're not running a dryer or a stove. Definitely not needed. But I see it a lot. So anyway, we're done. We are going to put the top back on it. It has 6 fans in it. Let's see what they are. They are Sun-Ons. Sun-Ons, Sun-Ons. So those are good fans. Excellent fans. Let's see how many amps they draws. It shows that. 1.6 amps. Damn, them things are fast. I mean fast. Woo! Them things are flying. And that's how good the fans are. You don't have to put a 4.7 ohm on them, because they're good quality fans. Nothing wrong with that. I bet this thing blows some air with 6 of them on it. So, that's it. That's the end of the road. Brian, I am going to pop some pills in. Nah, really what I'm going to do is I'm going to go take a nap. And I think I'm going to take the day off. I need a break. So I'm going to say 73s, everyone. I got to get up with Robert. And talking about total rebuild. I mean, I got to pop all the power supplies and stuff out to do the board and stuff. So it's going to be like a total rebuild. That's interesting that it has the circuit breaker right here. And it has a circuit breaker here also on the switch. So it's got double circuit breakers on it. Alright. Now that is not a double pole circuit breaker. What is happening here? I'm just looking, that's all. Now I know why the circuit breaker's there. Okay. I see now. These are tied together here. Coming down here. There's the ground. Come up here. They're coming into here. They're coming into here. There's your second 110 volts. That's why it's there. Alright. So I hope Robert doesn't want me to take that off, block that off, because I can't clean it. I mean, I can peel it off, but I can't clean it. Sure can't. I won't be able to clean the glue, but I can block it off. I can get it out of the holes. Nothing wrong with that. It's blocked off. Okay. Alrighty-o. Alley Cat's gotta go. It's lunchtime. It's nap time. And it could be take the day off time. So I think I'm gonna check the value of this right here. Anyway, ain't no point in checking anything else. Everything else is gonna change. This looks like it's built with, it's all 61. Now, I myself, well, it's 61, 61, so it was 61, 61, 61 and 61. It may be 3 turns here. With 43 and 61, it's only 2 turns. So we're 3 and 3 on there. I found that 61 and 61 didn't work, but a lot of people have found that 61 and 61 didn't work on that 2-pill driver section. I use 43, of course. I'm a 43 type of person. But I have built 61, 61, just like I'm going to do Brian. I'm going to build 61, 61, but I'm going to use the smaller transformers because these take up so much real estate that if they were the 1/2-inch cord transformers, every wire off of these power supplies would be able to go to the bus bar. But because these take up so much real estate, you can't put all them wires on the bus bar. There's just no way. So as soon as I run out of these, I won't be using them anymore, because I don't like them. I just don't. It looks cool, it looks beefy, and they don't heat up as bad, they don't go into saturation as bad, but they take up way, way, way too much real estate. So it will be built back with .61 1.5 inches. Now you see, that small transformer, half-inch core, you got plenty of room for everything. That's the same reason I put my 120s here, just like this, is because there's no place else to put them. Trying to cram them down in here, I've seen it done plenty of times. I mean, it's possible, but it's this is the best route to go on it. So, all right. Now everything, you know, I don't build like this, so I can't say anything. I have nothing to say about it. These values may all be correct for the build because it is built like this. I kind of like this though. Only one cap. Both inputs feeding off the splitter. You know, I'd build an inductor. You know, I had to use a bunch of ferrites, and yeah, so I'm gonna study this real good right here. And what I ought to do, I ought to just pop some resistors and stuff on here, and pop some used HGs in here, and see what she does. 1, 2, 3, 4 pills. The pill strips are so far up that oh, it's gonna be a bitch getting them out. So I ain't gonna do it. It doesn't matter to me what it's doing. Only thing that matters to me is what it's gonna do when I'm done. So I have a 2x8 board like this. Brian got my last 10 pill board, but the thing about it is with 10 pill board, building in a straight line, you take all your power supplies and run it to the pill strip, and I mean the bus bar. You can put a bunch of caps on it. These all go right here on a 10 pill board, and it seems to work great. So I think I have 2 of these. It's regular 2x8s, but I like building on the 10 pill board now, just for the fact that with the bus bar right here, the wires are shorter, which of course saves in wire. You can get electrolytic caps on it. You can't get but 2 on this one. And you give it 1, 2, and 1 here. So that's 3. And the caps do help now. They help out a lot. Especially in a mobile. They really, really help a lot in a mobile. Yeah. So I am going to have to order another 10 pill board because Brian got my last one. So, Brian got my last 10 pill board. We have this board mounted here with screws and nuts. Nothing wrong with that. They are star washers on the nuts. See on this used heat sink right here, that's the way I do it. Just one. I even quit doing that. Just because it seems like this, the 3 screws there, seem to be just fine for holding the board. No problems whatsoever. So, alright, 73s, y'all. Y'all take care. I'm getting out of here. It's nap time. I'm an old man. I need my nap. Gilligan's Island is on. And I think I'm going to take the day off. I'll catch y'all later. Skip has been rolling a little bit. I wasn't able to catch any of it. But, oh, Lord. I ain't nothing but a duck. So I'll catch y'all later. Y'all take care. And, Robert, I'll be talking to you soon. 73s. Cell block 6. And I'm gone.